Hello friends, welcome to FreeCAD drawing tutorial, and in this tutorial we will learn how we can edit this drawing title block. So here you can see that my frame is off, so first I have to on my frame, and once you on your frame you will see some green dots here. This means that this field are the editable. So for example, design by name, if you want to give my name, then I have to click on this green dot and a pop-up will open, and here I will give my name Mechnexus, and name of this part is seal. And if you want to give any subtitles you can give here. And scale is 1:1, weight is 5 kg, drawing number I can give some random drawing number 1006 001 002-52. sheet, it is a single sheet, so 1 of 1 and say OK. And once you edited this title block field of the frame and edited our drawing title block. So this is very small tutorial for the beginner user to edit the title block field in a FreeCAD. And if you like this tutorial, then please like, subscribe my channel. Your kind support will help this channels to grow. I will come with more useful tutorial on a FreeCAD. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your valuable time.